Jordan brings the most energy of all the team members. Even after a spectacular performance and she's been congratulated by her coach, you can clearly hear she says, for the team. It's for the team. And a team member she really is. She made all her landings and dismounts perfectly without a sidestep that came from Suni or Grace. She even reminds me of an early Simone Biles. She's got the strength and the physicality to continue to dominate the sport as she continues to grow. What Simone has brought to Team USA is not just the medals, but a legacy of bringing up athletes like Jordan, who come up behind her and continue to succeed. And that's a true medal of an athlete, being able to step aside and train others beyond your career. As always, feel free to subscribe. Let's continue to keep you updated with the Olympics. Thanks.